Amazing. I want to show you a very powerful software that's going to help you analyze the market. Hear me right. Save yourself from unnecessary stress. You're only just to do the finish touch. The finishing touch is what to do. So this software, I'm going to share with you. How does this software work? Now, and so it's quite amazing. That's the truth. Quite amazing because the software is going to help you to do a whole lot of things. Okay, so let's quickly look at this software. I'm going to open the software. Now, there are a few features I'm going to explain to you on this software. And new ones are just being added every time. You can use voice command to ask the trend of the market, which market is trending, which one do you want to buy. Okay, so let me go. If I go to the tools, let me go to the FX. Look at the FX. There's a new tool added. So all of these tools, they are powerful tools that are going to help you to trade the market so massively. Look at them. All right, you have trading video, we have top pips calculator, we have risk management, calculate loss, profit. All right, generate key levels. Okay, set key levels alert, set price alert, 5 minute sniper entry, and then we have all right, sniper entry, filter only, neutral, blah 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 blah. Now I'm going to be going into this market overview. So let me show you market overview. So I'm going to click on it. So what does it give to me? Normally, when you want to come into the market, you want to look at what's the market trend. You want to look at what the market trend. Now, look at it now. On weekly, this AUD card is buy, but dailies is for sell, and the midday is for sell. Now, yeah, it's fine. So you could sell, but just tell you that a point will come, the sell will be over. Maybe the sell is just a temporary sell. Okay. Then if you see the same thing, AUD chef, the same style. But look at AUD JPY. Everything is buy. Look at it. Look at it. Look at weekly. Look at daily. Look at midday. So it's buying. Then you have AUD SND, the same thing. AUD USD, the same thing. BTC, the same thing. All right. Card chef, sell, 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 sell. So now this give you an idea. Okay. Chef JPY, sell, sell, sell. DSY, sell, sell, sell. Okay. Now, so give you an idea of like, okay, let me even look at the market and analyze my market, meaning my bias is we are bearish. Okay, everything is a sell, so we're bearish. Okay, so I want to look at the market today, 16. Look at it. So I've given you an idea. Now, another lovely thing is this. If we go to this amazing software, you can imagine has given us bias of the market. So the same thing on synthetics. So look at synthetic too, right? Okay, I think it's on okay, here, market overview. All right, so giving us all the markets drift. Okay, step index. All right, step volatility 10. So now, so if you are buying now, it's like a temporary buying. All right, it's a weekly is for sell, daily is for sell, but mid just few hours is for buy. So you want to see the one that is totally sell. Look at step 4400, right? So if I go to the next one, volatility 25 1S, everything buy. Yeah, 25, everything. Okay, buy, weekly, daily buy, Y temporal sell. Then we have 51S, sell. So if I want to pick now, I probably will have to go to the one that everything aligned together and I quickly go analyze it. All right. So if you go to right, World Trade Synthetics, all right. World Trade Synthetic, look at synthetic 2, World Trade. Could be network. It could be network, not showing up. And that could be network. Okay, here we have, all right. market overview. Here you have flip 1, buy, sell. So I just want to see the one align. Look at flip 3, sell, sell. Okay. Look at flip 4, sell. Look at flip 5, sell. Look at flip. All right. Everything sell. Now vol 20, buy. Okay. Vol 40, vol 60. So you want to see the one that plumb, align more. So we have SF, okay. Vol 80, sell, buy. Right? Vol 99, sell. Yes, I was on sell this morning on vol 99. You can see, right? Oh my God, this is amazing. This software is super amazing. You can still go ahead and do to check the rejection zone in this same software. Look at rejection zone, right? Rejection zone. And pick it up, look at it. And of course, telling you good rejected as also price for you to buy and all of that. These are massive tool, right? You can take up to buy, to sell, to trade your market. So once this has given you an idea of a market direction, for instance, it will do buy for BTC. All right, so let's go to our trading view. So I'm just showing you all of this now. Then sometime after all of this, it gives you signal. I hope you know that. All right, so let me just check. Okay, these are signals. All this one you are seeing are signals. So let me tap on any of them. Here is okay, buy zone all Euro USD. You say you should buy. Analysis. This is a swing trade for more profit. Hold this position for more than 1 day. Buy. So you are giving the signal since anyway. So what I'm going to do is to go to what? FOREX inbuilt chart. Then I load Euro USD. Okay, I click on load settings. Okay, now I want to check the rate, how strong this is. It says 77% accuracy. All right, so I click on weekly key level. All right, so look at it. It's above pivot point. Daily key level is above pivot point. This is super amazing. So you can see Euro USD is going to continue to buy for a long time. All right, look at it. Previous week, 3 weeks ago, all are bullish. So it's going to buy for a very long time. So if you look at it now, maybe you go to the market, look at, let's say, MT5. Okay. So go to MT5, for instance. Okay. So if you go to MT5 and you go to Euro USD, okay, and even BTC that it says to buy, look at Euro USD. You can see it's a continuation. So if you go to 1 hour, you go to 4 hours, you can see the buy have been buying. Okay, go to daily. Okay, so you go to weekly. Of course, it has been buying. All right, so it's still telling you that the buy still continue. All right, so it's still telling you the buy was still continue. And that's the amazing part of these softwares. This software give you, and then with confidence, you can look at the market, look at BTC. It was telling us to continue to buy. Okay, zoom in, I want to buy BTC now. So just go and then tap, though you could do your basic analysis or just verification. So, but just to experiment for us, and then you click on buy. All right, so now you now want to look at the market. So depending, maybe 116,000, right? 116,660, something like that. So I go there. Okay, 116,661, something like that. So I can find my stop loss. So definitely there are things you will need to review when you are looking at this market to get a proper entry. Okay. So it's very, very important. And then you now put your stop loss, take profit, stuff like that. Now, so that I'm just trying to show us, when you have gotten an idea, so you don't bother yourself. I want to see. So by the time you go to your maybe trading view, if you're a pro trader, you know what to analyze, you know what to check out for. And even among your peers you trade, you want to actually jump at the chart to see properly and all of that. Okay, so that's what it is. I'm just trying to show us this amazing software that help you to check the market. So let me just share my screen and then let's check, all right, the market. All right, so let me share my screen. Okay, all right, so you can see DXY. So the software already told you it's sell, sell, sell. Look at this is 1 hour time frame. If I go to 4 hour time frame, all right, it's bearish. So that's what's telling you all through, say sell, all right. Now look at Euro USD, told you, all right. So I think we have a buy position on Euro USD since yesterday. And so it's just about to cross a major limelight. Once it crosses here, that means the buy is going to buy for very, very long time. Okay? I mean, the buy is going to buy for very, very long time. Okay? I think he told us about gold equally. We broke out of gold here yesterday. All right. So, and then here again, retested. So gold to continue to buy. And the same thing, I think, correlated thing happens to GBP USD. All right, so okay, we had the buy positions and almost finishing the journey. So that means you are going to see USD JPY to be selling. So look at AUD, oh, almost done. So even this AUD, GBP AUD, I think I can check thereafter, but look at this market. How do you think? This market is going to go. That's going to be a massive, massive continuation for the buy. So you see, so these are the things you check, maximizing profits. And so simple trading pattern for yourself. So sometimes I told people looking at the market, so sometimes I mark my key level this way. So like weekly, all right, the weekly key levels, all right, so that I can just trade with ease. I know where I'm trading to, I know where I'm trading for. Do you understand? I know where I'm trading to, and I know where I'm trading from. So those are the things that we always want people to leverage on and make a lot of money as simple as possible. Not stressing yourself, but simplify trade. So most time when I want to do my key levels, so I turn this to a line chart so I can have a very honorable marking. All right. I turn it to a line chart to have an honorable marking. So let's go this way. Okay. Okay. So I have this. So change this to black. Don't mind. When you want to learn more about this, you can come into our ecosystem of learners. And then you can learn more. So I just want to pick some important key levels, right? For my weekly. Okay. Important key level. So think here it's better off. This is amazing, guys. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Okay. In order not to make it too long, I'm going to just quickly do it as fast as possible so that it will not be too long. Okay. It should not be too long. You can quickly just get it done now. Okay, fantastic, everybody. Now you can see. Now, what I've just tried to do was just to mark my key levels, and so you can be responding from key level to key level. One of the things is this: if you can discipline yourself to be making trade from key level to another key level, to be very honest, you're going to be more profitable. Though you can have some level of drawdown at a point, but is there going to be even unnecessary drawdown like that? Not really that, because if you know what to do. So imagine the trend that have been given to me and you by our softwares. You will now look at, taking the market. I think it even gave on on US 30 and other okay other instrument and all of that. So yours is just to come to the market and look at it. So look at this, an uptrend for US 30, very powerful, right? And then it gave a signal for a buy. All right. So when you get a signal, just for you to act on the market. Okay. So just for you to act on the market, checking other necessary parameters you want to use to get into the market and all of that. So it told Bitcoin for buy, it told about Euro USD for buy, and I've told you that we're already buying Euro USD since about how many days? That was today, yesterday, we've been on buy on Euro USD, all right? And so you can see the market continue to trend up, all right? So Euro USD now is just going to break a very major point, a very major region now. Once we're able to break this point and retest, man, that's going to be massive, including GBP USD itself. I think I have one small positions open here on Euro USD, and you could see the trade that's coming up. You can see the trade probably running. Let's see it come. Yeah, so look at Euro USD. I've even adjusted stop loss, just one position, because we have taken profit, partial profit, and all of that. And then just one position is riding, and I didn't have intention of closing this position, or I put in my take profit very far off somewhere. Okay, very far off somewhere. So look at the entry. The entry was at about 1.17355, and stop loss already at 1.17678, and the market's already at 1.179 something region like that. Okay. Yeah, I think the network is contributing negatively to that, so it's not opening properly. And so, but that's just to tell you, trading, you don't need to overstress yourself. If you get this software, you are going to be fantastically fine and give you direction. So instead of like the trouble of setting the trading view notification per instrument and all of that, this one just load it and it continue to do the work for you. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, go to the comment section. You will see the link to register on this software and register on our broker Capitalxtend, and so that you can maximize the free trial, 1 month free trials first, then your subscription monthly, ordinarily. So subscription on this software every month is $100. And so it does take you off from all the unnecessary stress that you also be following. And of course, we're going to be in our community where we'll put you through virtually everything you need to understand, even about trading, as long as you are registered with us on Capitalxtend. All right, thank you very much, everyone. I think it's amazing. Don't waste time. This is amazing software that's going to just take off the stress of overanalysis and all of that. Okay. My name again is Mida Salijimo. You want to chat with us, can chat on WhatsApp plus 234 90 470 44998 plus 234 970 Okay, 90470. Take the number again, +234 90470 44998. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day.